Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're gonna talk about the changes that Meta has done to the attribution of clicks, link clicks inside the Meta Ads accounts. So that I'm not going to confuse you, let's go straight away to my PC to show you over there what kind of changes we have, and then we can discuss how they can impact your ads. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more, so I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So let's see over here. I'm in a new campaign and I'm starting from the point you might not be able to see it. So this is what we're looking for, okay? In order for me to explain to you. So we have 7 days click, 1 day view, 1 day view through. I like to use this setting because I think that the more data that it has, the better it is for optimization. What is the change that we have? Basically, before that, let me explain to you what is the attribution setting, because if you are not running ads for a long period of time, you haven't seen the changes over here, so you cannot know. Back in the day, before even the iOS, we had over here the iOS update, we had over here the conversion window. What was the conversion window? Conversion window was the period and the data that Meta is gonna use in order to continue optimization on the ad set. So the conversion window was that it's gonna use the data of the last 7 days, for example. Okay, so that it can continue optimizing. And we had also another setting, which was the attribution model, which was 28 days. My guess, without being able to actually verify that, is that it was 28 days because of February. I cannot find any other reason for it to be 28 days and not 30, which is 1 month. The click was 28 days. It was 28 days, and I think at some point the view was 7 days, but I'm not sure. Don't keep this one, but let's talk about the click for sure. It was 28 days. It has been many years also, guys. And you could go and you could also change that to 7 days if you wanted. There was a specific area from all of these settings that you could go and you could change it. But by default, it was 28 days. What does this mean? That if someone clicked now and he bought 25 days later, it was going back to the day that he clicked and it was attributing the sale. This is why many times you were gonna be able to see, for example, that you were having 3 ROAS at the end of September, and then you check at the end of October and you were gonna see September and you're gonna see 3.5 ROAS because of all of this delayed attribution and the sales that were gonna be attributed back. And then before iOS, they changed the attribution model from 28 days to 7 days, which was the same as the conversion window. And they have combined the conversion window with the attribution model, and this thing has been created, which is called now attribution setting. So this one is also conversion window and attribution model. So basically, it's the data that Meta is going to use on this ad set in order to optimize, but it's also the attribution model. So we have here 7 days click. It means that if someone clicks now and buys 2 days later, for 7 days, it's gonna track him and see if he's gonna buy from another area or not. We have the 1 day view, which means that if someone sees an ad, just sees an ad and buys 18 hours later, the sale is gonna still be attributed. And in that case, also it's gonna be used for optimization, because attribution is another thing, optimization is another thing, but here they're happening on the same time window. And then we have another thing which is new, the engaged view for videos only. we can read it over here. Basically, someone views your ad and takes action within 1 day, and engaged viewed videos are counted when a video is played for at least 5 seconds or for 95% of the total length if it's shorter than 5 seconds. Now, is this the same as the thing that we have for engagement? If you remember, we're creating audiences that they're all about engagement, and you can have people who engage with your Facebook or Instagram page, and because the ads are also considered posts of the page, then if someone sees one of your ads on autoplay, then it could be engagement. Is it 5 seconds? From what I have seen and researched through, it's 3 seconds. So it's another thing, the attribution, another thing, the engagement. So over here, for this specific one, in order to attribute a sale and to use it also for optimization, as we said, is 2 things in one over here. It needs either 5 seconds, and which is not so difficult on autoplay, or 97% of the video if the video is shorter than 5 seconds. Okay, I hope that this is clear. So what is the change that we have here? The major change that we have here is that until now, in the 7 days click, we have all the clicks. Okay, so this one now is changing to click through, because it was 7 days click. It wasn't called click through. Okay, and we can check here. It says when somebody clicks your ad and converts within the period of time that you select, we learn from your click through conversions and show your ads to people likely to click through within the same period of time. Okay, now what is the click through? Let's check it here. If you click it, you're gonna see this one over here. Obviously, it's one of the articles that you cannot read, so I'm here to do the video to explain to you. Until now, with the clicks, we had the people that they were gonna click, and it was gonna be people that they click on the image. They click, for example, the like button. They click to share. All of this was considered clicks, and they were counting to the 7 days. Now, the only thing that's gonna count is when they're gonna click links. So if you have a link into the description, the call to action, of course. And one thing that people forget is when somebody is gonna click to see your profile. So all of these are 3 link clicks that we have into the ads, or possible link clicks, because sometimes people don't add link clicks into the copy. So when you're gonna do that and they're clicking over there, they are gonna the days are gonna count as 7 days for the attribution and the conversion window. But the other clicks, the ones that somebody clicks, for example, to see the image larger and all of that, they will go to the view through. Okay, so they will go to only 1 day. So if someone is not gonna click a link, it has only 24 hours to convert, so that it can be attributed and used for optimization into the ad set level. This is one of the major changes that we have over here. And I don't think that's going to impact a lot. I think it's more fair. I wanted to do this video in order to explain to you also the attribution settings, because it's confusing for someone that hasn't seen both of the 2 conversion window and attribution model and how they converted to this, to understand what is the attribution setting. These are the changes, and I will see you for the closing of the video. So the change is not so big. Basically, the clicks are gonna go to the 1 day, and the link clicks are gonna stay on the 7 days. So basically, for the clicks, we are losing 6 days of data. Do I believe that this is gonna hurt your ROAS and all of that? In my opinion, no. For smaller ad accounts, I believe no. For bigger ad accounts, I believe no. For ad accounts that are heavily, that they lean heavily to retargeting, maybe yes, they're gonna see a lower ROAS. But in my opinion, it's a fair change. I think that what is happening over here, it's fair, and I do believe that they did it for this reason. Anyway, another win for us, that we are always have been watching link clicks, because we knew that this is the metric that we should have been watching. In any case, if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, where we are predicting things like the diversification of creatives. We were doing different angles 2-3 years ago before the announcement, and all of this kind of stuff. And inside the course, because we are learning what to do inside the platform by just doing ads into multiple ad accounts. And over there, you're going to be able to see videos that are coming from theory, but videos also on implementation, on real ad accounts, and what we're doing in each case and how we interpret the algorithm. You can also check the Trustpilot reviews to see if people liked and what they commented about the course. Also, there's a free version of the course, and you can go and you can check if you like it or not, and then decide if you want to buy it or not. Also, I have my mentorship programs, the Chosen 5, and inside there we're doing one-on-one calls. You need to have some specific criteria in order to be able to join, like specific spend, or many other accounts and all of that, be at a certain level, and send me a message and maybe we're gonna be a good fit and we can work together. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.